Today, Phone Scoop is going to just take a quick tour through some of the new features that are found on Android 1.5, otherwise known as the Cupcake update, which recently became available to users of the HTC G1 on the T-Mobile network. The basic user interface is pretty much identical to the 1.1 version of Android, which was previously being used. Has the same home screen that you can swipe back and forth, and of course the same main menu. What's really new is several features. You'll see a camcorder icon here, and at the bottom we've got voice search and YouTube also along the bottom. So of course these are the newest features, and we'll go into the settings real quick so you can see that we are indeed running firmware version 1.5, so we have updated to Cupcake. And just taking a quick look at these features. First, what we'll do is we'll do some video. Shooting video is pretty basic. You know, we'll just take a quick video of my hand here. So there's a shot of my hand. We can see on the G1. We'll stop that. And what's really neat is you'll immediately get some features. So we'll click on that, and you can see we can go to the gallery, we can play the video, we can share it, or we can delete it. You know, playing in the gallery is fine, but what's really interesting is share. When we hit share, we can upload the video to our Gmail account and then send it. We can add it to an MMS message, or we can upload it directly to YouTube. So this is pretty neat. Once you've entered your login details, you can see that we can, you know, the name of the title of the video will default to, you know, whatever the Android system names it, but you can rename that. You can choose whether or not it's public. You can add a description to the video, and you can add some tags. After that's all done, you know, you have to do the terms of use are there, but you know, they don't make you read them. Then you can hit upload, and the video will go up to your YouTube account. So that's really neat. It's a nice feature to have. And of course, another nice feature of the 1.5 is the new software keyboard. So there's a software keyboard. We'll show you how it works here. We'll just add in a. You can see as I type, it starts to throw in some extra words there. And I can automatically choose to complete the word as I type, and that's a nice keyboard. Obviously, very reminiscent of the keyboard on the iPhone, but it does work nice because this is a touch capacitive screen, and I found it to be pretty responsive. Okay, we're not going to actually upload any video, but you can see how the user interface works. And of course, we can go to our gallery and choose a different video to watch, which we will do now. And it automatically plays the video. And this is something I shot just a few minutes ago, you know, poking around in my basement. So it's not superb quality. I can't say it's the best video you'll ever see, but it does now shoot video and allows you to upload directly to YouTube, Gmail, or MMS messages. So that's pretty neat, I have to say. Nice addition to the Google operating system. Of course, we also have the voice search, which we'll demonstrate here. Mesa Boogie. It's working to translate my text and will automatically generate a results page based on my, it said Iron Burmese a bookie. Not too good. Let's try that again. Mesa Boogie. It's performing another search. And that time it got it right. So you can see the links to the Mesa Boogie website and so on. Let's do one more. Marshall Amplifiers. Doing a live search, and it got this one right. Marshall Amplifiers on the first try. Let's try something a little bit more difficult just to have some fun with it. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Wow, it actually got it right. It got the whole word right. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. There it is. So you can see that the software needs you to speak firmly and clearly, but it does get things, even very complicated things, right when you try. So those are the biggest new features for Android 1.5, otherwise known as Cupcake. Most of the rest of the system seems to be about the same. There are a lot of under-the-hood improvements too, of course. It has stereo, Bluetooth. There have been improvements to the browser, and the whole thing just feels snappier and more responsive. So that's an in-depth look at the newest features in Android 1.5.